How to fix the issue of Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu and simply search for View Network Connections. Click on the application once you find it in the results. Once you do, simply this application will open. You need to go to your network adapter. Simply double click on the Wi-Fi option at the end and then after you will see Properties option. Simply click on it. Once you do, this prompt will appear on your screen. Go to Internet Protocol version 4. After that, at the bottom you see two options of DNS server, Preferred and Alternate. Simply in the Preferred DNS enter 8.8.8 and in Alternate DNS enter 8.8.4.4. After that, the second method to fix the issue of internet connection is to open Run application and there you can simply write ipconfig/+DNS. Once you click on OK, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.